Me wa be fire your mama gidi pa. Say Sammy Gyamfi asisa isika akoma kronfo a osi ohun nothing wrong with that. We Jimmy Chen odwan kura ni nyansa chen no. Mahama Oche odwan kura ni nyansa chen no.
And they have been encouraged by politics. The NDC in opposition were excited watching Twene Jonas run down the 80-year-old Akufo-Addo.
I was concerning Sammy Gyamfi and also Twene Jonas or because we be ama or be fire Mahama party can be a Mahama na ebasa na NDC for ebro for Twene Jonas a omodi dinner terms umuade or kasete Penyah or kasete Mahama any other day. On that note, no, Paul Adom Otchere, good evening Ghana show host Paul Adom Otchere. I share an opinion on that. No, I fire NDC for pay. Ese Adriana Mudia yano. Eswaba ana mo TBD. Adriana Mudia and Mudia Chamber. Eswaba ana mo TBD. And sembe na Juniors Ekaya. Any forbidden as much as a poor not just Abe defending it. I Penyah Brock Media. Mess was any demo. Over like a video on that room. I was subscribe to the click notification on latest updates. Now bet you wife and their mammy or comment section. Mess of Baswa. No she video more so any be ashy. It is Sammy Gyamfi and 7 bear mono. Obakaya Twene Jonas who are many warm-up who are coming out with many warm-up as a stray bullet to His Excellency John Mahama. And as I say Mahama, I am mistake. Say one saki Sammy Gyamfi says Siradapa de Bayano. Akufo-Addo Saki Siradapa because there wasn't any track record say we are my seeker and now ABB. Nini say on one seeker or Bobreniano. And of course it's about $2 every good them. So there be a dollar book cost or that $10 air rise. Dollar book cost to a Wabetonian fast war. As a many dollar book cost or Wabetonian fast war. Obia named the actual figure, but we were here and this new week as was answered the pay $50 million. $50 million. We are $1 million. We are $5 million. We are just be a candidate just to suit the emotions. What I say? Now, Sammy Gyamfi, I have 4 months in office or $1 Mr. Dollar Man, or also, we need to be honest with each other. And by now, the Twene Jonas ever get Mahama pay.
I was for me to quite a business meeting, be over beyond. I feel na make up, but me free abroad grassy. I could see the grassy on F, New York City, baby. More do I see to me because more on my shopping. I can medical catch him say abroad. Of course, don't get me wrong, but they may BMW and the M8 competition powerhouse, the most quickest BMW ever made on planet F. BMW, the blue BMW, black interior, isn't that incredible? Chilly. Oh yeah, go ahead. Yeah, they may pressure be enemy so teach me na kwa yawa juma. Revenue be our yeah juma na. Original me only said I don't need to worry about anything. I'm a Muay Thai millionaire. Oh, we see the king himself is life. Man, I may buy the destroy your may buy the fire your mama gidi pa. Say Sammy Gyamfi asisa isika akoma kronfo a osi ohun nothing wrong with that. We Jimmy Chen odwan kura ni nyansa chen no. Mahama Oche odwan kura ni nyansa chen no. Oye mampanyini wo the code of conduct aba a say obi tam Ghana sika de koma kronfo a e was here suspended no. Now we back we the same job we want me suspended no. Mo say Chief Justice a yehu no physical you say we sika you time Chief Justice we sika and ya we Jimmy was suspended no. Your mama won't me president to be Ghana me do nyame me na me ka kire wo me do nyame hwe what Jimmy do na we say we are poa na we say we suspended no na me ka kire say boys in there adwuma no nyame shabroni every na money nti say o badi boni a amuna ye adwuma nyame shabroni every na money boys in there fixing road no forever nyame shabroni the system is working 24. Your mama is or you most stupid except back we are there now o say if you are meeting no and I'm a teacher near me school classroom wa be we are there be am punish you na classroom o ba o be now back we are there was nothing wrong with it but obi back we are there I was my punishment we are we sir obi you are not a leader. Enti your mama e kwase a che nipa bia me hu nipa wa Jimmy sada enti saa no NDC umo be branch na manya power papa ti dia mecho no mo be bre fucking because me anam koto me nam ka so mo nto aba ne mamu e ka mo campaign we enko ba bia e me anam so mo nto aba ne mamu na me nim se Mahama Jimmy sei obi adi bone wo se odi scan ko we bia jabi ahye wo ba bi e na odi jana ko support kurom ofo it makes sense e bia me fan say accident bi esi nsuo bi abefa nkofo o mu fie ama mu fie nyina bubu e na odi scan ko e no ko chema nkofo a it makes sense ti dia mecho no boys no mo bre but what tam sika no e de macronfo feel comfortable mu nyina mu guga na wo mu nim say Sammy Gyamfi iye nya nto aba ma no 1 million okra wantimi ameche bida ti dia mecho wo camera obi ani obetimi akoyi video a Sammy Gyamfi che 2 million okra wo camera mda Sammy Gyamfi ento aba ma no Toyota Land Cruiser akra no oni bia ode no na mo di jimie tweetwe scammer nkofo so mo meka se na Sammy Gyamfi wo pap every 1 minute be aba masinam or pap or I want pap kwasia na omo wo ai kura no omo hotels akese kura wan be $10,000 ya koche kromfo omo kura mo nyesa what I say na wo aban sika aban nipa a wo no wanya good border minim se mu besua nyansa mo ni good border ba enu ntimu besua nyansa te say okay na mampanyini na obi o Ghana ho bia no you not to pay rules say good in the sika yenya no obi e beje $1,000 a month and obi e beje $500 a month and no it's very very nyansa vision leader sa na we ba se kromfo na ono deserve say ye to please you know na mo feel comfortable say sika the manner na mo say you don't see nothing wrong with that. It means that is what you have been doing na camera na ento mosunti you see it to be normal. Jimmy. It means you see this as normal. Yanya mampanyini sa mampanyini peso bibua o bako di bonia no why they want not to punishment him. Na me catch us every 1 minute to be abo gas in any number yami shabroni maybe join the highway no. Yami man phone them say police for na boko now. Aya no manya ticket. Me join the highway no. Enti how can Ghanaians trust you? How can they trust you? Your mama what Jimmy pa uni trust the course anaju boja. Wo ye kwasia. Jimmy ka suspend ya kwa no kra be 1 year bi. Na for obi an say we leader, we good leader. Say next time no obi a de yesika no koma kronfo a. Ono so beje suspension. Your mama wo ye kwasia mpanyin pa. Obadi bone I was so suspending fast. I'm a catcher as a car can be a shiny uncle every name now in a Mishabroni. The system is working 24/7. The pavement charge Montica be your baby and shiny uncle. Isn't this incredible? Tell me if it is not. Now, of course, me chile or me BMW, no self-driving, luxury, pure luxury, me blue BMW. So who do know? Blue, everything blue. Isn't this incredible? What do you say? I'm enjoying being rich. I'm being rich. Okay, your mama who the chance the course boja and also the code of conduct aba obi di bonia e wo so kofi na Sammy Gyamfi asisa yesika de akoma kronfo Sammy Gyamfi de yesika akoma kronfo a wo si unhu boni bia e wo mse Sammy Gyamfi be sisa yesika akoma kronfo a woni ne twaba ase de course anadwo boja wo ye kwasia enya wonu wagimi na wonim leadership ya ka wo so timi suspend A+ at least when suspend Sammy Gyamfi at least 1 year na fa set example am obi an say we a good leader ba say wo no kwase ya Sammy Gyamfi an hu nyansa say ya to aba ma onu ya maban aba na woni kronfo kra it me feel comfortable ma kronfo de nsa be she okama and no right there no it will affect your government because kronfo de mampanyini na said ye ne se oche kronfo anya woni kronfo na e fa adamfo adi ba bia me koma yera wo mame nyina ne se na me fanshe map no am fanshe map no ame koto ade enti your mama e kwase mpanyin pa me hu leader wagimi say da ontimi nyama mpanyin bi o Ghana se me ana ma Ghana fo koto abama no eti na minim so ye kwase ase nka man ni ne wadan sese enkoto abama no so enti oba adibone was minhu nothing wrong with nice me bad too much. Oh, also. Oh, for Jimmy Comasa. Cause remember so. Oh, Bob and Hina, light here red now, Bob and Pepe.
Turn left onto Linden Place.
Eti your mama, a quasi and penny pa, and I'm a catcher, of course, Mammy lower, my, na. Me who ni pa wa Jimmy Sada. So, I Sammy Gyamfi and want me and 2 million brother.
Mile, turn right onto 130th Street.
I'm in lower volume no. Me Sammy Gyamfi obeye oba otigana before see ento aba 1 million kura want me anko chebida. Na enno ya po abama no. Na wasise sika akoto Range Rover. SV Oro biography. Na Range Rover na wato no. Wasisa dollars yagum. Na dollars na wasise agum no o chema akronfo na mampanyini say this is normal. I just said that is what they are doing. That is what their government is doing. Enti ye normal. Ti dia mecho no. Enti mu the gold board aba. Na se mu the obi ato gold board na no. Na gold ni sika no wantimi an supply ankwa ankoma. Enyanka wantimi an supply ankwa ankoma boys e omu ni djuma bia di omu ne nam ha. Omu pia truck, omu twifi baro, omu bre, wantimi an supply ma NDC, Goro boys ya, omu ye campaign mam. Na kronfo a doing campaign time krano, o koji ba omi sika, ese John Mahama e koinseni, me koinseni na Mahama ye ni na grada ne ma mi se John Mahama bro. Wasi John Mahama bro sa boa. John Mahama e koinseni mo obi anto abama no. Ena me Twene Jonas me se wo de anya hwe, MPP fo agini. Ye nto abama mo, na mo mmra na mo mekoreti Jimmy no ti ya mecho no enti mo aba no nka kronfo na ono no ye campaign ti amono kura no oni kwa se mo man chance man ben mo mpo da bi magimi Steven ya men so subscribe say John Mahama need to fix them, so we are tired of him already. Yes, even Taylor see you ni nyina ya no dwa ote wasi mi ani nyina ya mouth talk ni nyina ya no dwa omu nyina be Ghana ni bia ni obetima si o me court bia ni o betima frame o frame ya me nko foolish case ti ya me chono ko Kevin Taylor ni ufin on kwasi Kevin Taylor kwasi ampanyini ani ufin kwasi asa o roba nkukuo mu no Jimmy sa no no betima si o me eni nyina ya no dwa masa memo obi ana ada wade ase obi ani Ghana o betimi asi o me aha no kre platform o mo chesika ma bloggers o mo defend this ankwasi ade aye plus ko ye no me man kwankwaji obi asika intimate ya me kan okre se ye John Mahama ye no wagimi chain ni pa bia oba di boni a e wo so suspend no na fi set example ama omo won chain ni nyina obi ahu say next time untimi nkoye dan obi say Sammy Gyamfi is insulting you today on TV3 for nyina age bribe omu nyina age bribe of NDC wo enti yes kana John Mahama mfa me adwuma no bribe no de atwetwa ama media for nyina say omu Jimmy a obi en defend am enti ye bribe no omaje ena omotewa mo ye na we no enye you enye news 4 years e wa no ha ya eduru ha NDC be kofie mami atoati omo because ye nto abama mo na mo nsise esika ma kronfo e nkwase asem enye adwuma ne nkoye adwuma kina ye nto abama mo ne emedasu mu ne ye disika na ma grada abrese esika ne betimi provide energy amanipa light ye gina so da bi sa nkwase asem na enye adwuma nti abato ne duru a ene ye be kire se me kwase ana se me ye nyansani na me atoati omo e kano kra kire mo me atoati omo NDC ato force nko ani nim nyansa John Mahama de okwase ache nipa bia me hu nipa wa Jimmy sada obi asesa yesika e de ma grada o simintime suspend no e normal but Chief Justice mosi oni akufo ado awie sika na obi anyina ho we camera o sima suspend no John Mahama uni twasere uni ni twaba asere ko se anadwo boja wo ya boa ko Jimmy wasia bi batseo kafa Jimmy suspend ni Sammy Gyamfi na Jimmy no now yes sir obi ani obeto ase waban no Fakwasi asa suspend in the Jimeno, no Jimeno do. For Ferris Fozuquati, uni chasere. Fako adwendwem say MPP na teso and MPP ni bia load dollars egu kam and oche magrada nka wodo kwase aba betra say your mama buana soma say beka say you don't see nothing wrong with this. Say Jimmy Sam we are Sammy Gyamfi koye no. Ko Jimmy ma Jimmy say ano nti bu wi a ye behwe vote ambenya the next 4 years. Ye behwe and na I mujimi nso a mo school feeding program obi ono nye campaign maamo onye campaign maamo na mo ne no kwa adujoma Vivian Jela o act movie minim so de ne twa koma djoma ma wo mo sesen yo ana adujoma ntafo ne so mbetwa ne self ri o mbetwa Vivian Jela we jimi si ya o omo maboa mo na amamanya post no omo mom na ese mo boa o mo. To say Sammy Gyamfi this guy call ye no they are call NDC camp boys egu ha omo ton fine yogurt omo ton fine milk no this guy na mo fine share mo adwuma mu kena na mu nyeren mu madwuma nkoso next time no NDC ni betimi akunu ho ye campaign amount emfa nkoma kronfo a ono ye campaign tiawo won eti say adudwoma de omo ye NDC fo no buafo no NDC fo no gu omo na ho afiafi ntafo no gu adudwoma ho omaboa odwoma matani kwasia wo ye tenity so omo a wo se mede contract akoma Vivian J wo ye sa Vivian J watwa mu Vivian sika wie enye ono ohia contract fama ntafo omo a na omo ye campaign ma una omo di wachi a Ameriafo na omo ne Vivian J kokontokwa no eye simple as ABC ubi se obi kura se onim se Vivian J be ye campaign ma Mahama obi ani ho a obehu se Vivian J no ogina ba bi ye campaign eye man ka fra ne kura na ade koma one na yire ne ma nka mejidi sentafo ne nkopa Vivian J enkotwa ne nsa sometimes no mo ana mo ye man ntafo din sai wo ye tani wa baboa ukrom ntafo no saa sika ayi kwa Sammy Gyamfi aboa ide koye meanwhile Adom busuanfo ntafo yi efri ayi omukrom aba begu bridge asio ntontomo wi omo so akaya yo. They are the ones who need help. Enye kwasi abati sa agrada wenye sika wadupu nipa enye sika ewie no. Ohia taxpayers money. Ohia say ye di sika ne se ko pi kronfo no so. Enti Mahama kwasi ampanyin. How suspend ya kra no na ja chimi no na wo ya boa. If you are a leader you can't take action. Akufo-Addo sisi ya da pasika no egu ono instantly ni suspend sisi ya da pa. Yedi amecho no Akufo-Addo kwa na esi ye wajimi sa wo oniminyansa chen wo Mahama bam wo ye kwase a chen nipa bia. What you say? The same position na ekura Akufo-Addo the suspend esi ya da pa. Eme ye de ne court. Sammy Gyamfi fa ne court bia. Ema ne prove se sika ne de ana ye ne dia. Sammy Gyamfi nam Ghana ho no. Me nim no. Wonam wo one te. Meshiano TV station bebre me go Ghana TV ho adwuma na me. Time ameni ne nam na Toyota Camry kro ni bi ofa dropping na eba. Time na NDC wo position na me wo Ghana ho. No mo fa dropping na eba radio so. And what you SV oral biography range over $400,000 within just 4 months. Onya sika we. Ah? We is adwuma na he dia man no kro ye adwuma. Say adwuma 20 years kra. Ontimi nya sika nto SV oral biography onya sika eye taxpayers money no asisa and odi akoto range over and asisa tax payers money na buka no and na oche nti we mampanyin a onya aboa wonim nyansa ka suspend ni pa no na afa no enye peaceful wo so wagimi Adom Mahama wo ye kwasia wo ya aboa. Obviously, we need business idea. The insult is okay. I mean, you're not coming with Jimmy Dodo. Business idea be out of Ghana or be any Juma because Ghana and penny for no more business. Almost selfish reason. I grad Danya selfish. I would scare command heading. Crom for bar would scare command heading. A selfish reason. Obviously, if you are in law, the way I was here, Jimmy Minyan Quanyam Banamas, I'm a poor before for a banyam. What do I say? Nansa be any. What your mama on him answer, cause we a leader, people look up to you. Auntie, say ono okura no say the code of conduct about code of conduct ni che say obi di bone a ehɔ na bone na nipa na di no say ye de ne ma OSP wa woni ameche no ye den ye suspending nipa no code of conduct na de aba no nti sa code of conduct na say wo de bre MPP fo nko ana say wo de bre nko fofoforo but o pet ni di bone a enka ho ana enti so Jimmy say a obeda nya vote bio on TV anje fa o Jimmy ko pe ba bitina obi anim say wo nya NDC ni ma NDC fo no nkwaji post no na MPP fo na omo no ye school feeding dada no munya omo na omodi ane ne omo no omo to ye ni nyina ansan wi esan wi a ansa na mo nso ma start abaye mo de mu school feeding de munya MPP fo no na omo ton mo de no nti so omo ton na omo ni ane ni nyina ansan wi like me man say omo de feeding kura ni nyina wi na esan na afi maba kiki in nyasa enye Ghana ni MPP ni Ghana ni ni kwa se mu dina bro ni nua ne ni nyina mo kopam na ebe ne ka obi dodo na kofri obi say Steven Nyanza say Agrada doesn't deserve $10,000 Agrada deserve to be in prison John mama e kwase ane nti na we mu omuhu ni say normal nkwase asem say kronfo matam yesika de ma kronfo na normal dia na say we can never trust you na say mu nyina mo ya kronfo that is what you have been doing ti dia mecho no say wakoto wakosi sesika taxpayers money dia ma kronfo na if you think say kronfo na medisika na mano no this is normal dia na say mono we can never trust you you are all thieves NDC fo nyina ya kronfo so what you say NDC fo nyina ya kronfo until we don't need them until me the ombeko fie me the ombeko position because e ba na jomama ni onimnyansa we are simple as ABC simple solution o suspend it unipa no na fe no why nhwehwem kwan ofa so nya sika no e de koche because Ghana ni bia ni wa obetimi ayi physical $10,000 di ache obi da impossible Ghana ni chesika ya hwehwe tawale mo 55 cedis 10 cedis eno no mutimi che so be $10,000 di ache no simple sa na da ne kam na o de che no impossible despite mo kura no o mu ntimi nya ni sa o mo be ya age se bia company bi asemasi no ma be donation won ba say onama sika group ka buta wo yi che no na man panyini say o say every day the dollar is reducing talk about it and no ya medical praise at forcing say o ye adwuma ato forcing ye o ye adwuma o ye the best no ni madwuma chen MPP fo ni nyina keno furata ni o mu nyina oni madwuma chen ba dwoma ama na agimi kese hwese bokofo amwo ye kumnipa omaku police ni 2 months what a foolish case because you don't see nothing wrong with it untimenchi criminal no Steven Yamenzo say Agrada is chilling with with her husband with our $10,000. Yes, and into no friend man be trying to say $800 no but majimi say who say camera record that no enti obia o Ghana obia na dwen ye adwuma bia nim say bondo ba ku bia $10,000 me dollars ho adwuma na me we sika sen kran because me no mama bruchira me ma asem me ba bruchiri be ye ebe peska enti ti say kwase ampanyi no wo ha yo onye sika odi ni nyina sen ne mama no wa han dan ama afra na utua ho ka etua $2,000 a month ni ade me nya san kwase adwuma ni me nya sika me de investment me the savings are no boa na matam the investment is cash flow eba non stop it mean every day me press canty I know money and I know dollars say $800 no untimi mfo entimi nko bondo mu $800 no dollar mako $1 mako 8 pe enti kura wa ti said ye ukura sika pieces mako 8 no enti ano no ye fodu ni sei enye bondo a ehye bondo mu ye fodu eti said ye wayi wan cedi mako 8 no untime mfa nhye bondo mu ba sika ehye bondo mu no $10,000 so wa hunu meche no enti propaganda no ma yede wa fra Agrada chale be boy o be bo defense na yede ka say $800 $10,000 no mu ya koche enti se government appointee ya appoint na no ya wo no ye campaign wo fu flat na 4 months wo fu ayet said ye wonyem tafo 9 na ntafo 9 no wo da Sammy Gyamfi no ntu akotena TV3 ho di matema TV3 fo na anye sika amudi amoma ko munim se jimi se na mu jimi no ombia nyansa da ntrim bia nim se wo ye mampanyini na enipa mebre na tam sika ne kwache kronfo a wo ya boa what as a government appointee obia nim se wo tam taxpayers money de koma kronfo a wo ya boa eti se de omo ye wadudwo man se Mahama yere Lodina ne kwasia wo no Lodina no ntafo na omo no eye mukromfo na maboa mo amugu adudwoma wa Asante region ho na mama Vivian J ne mowere ne nsamowere a otikumase a oye ne movie on hwe so aye ne movie no ono beji school feeding program o Dudwoma district ho nyina o aye na ntafo no mo fom tim koboduam tem men na mu se Vivian J oye campaign ye ntafo ya na da bi on bekoma mo Entimaba, mamu mfesika ne nkoma wrong people. Mumuwa omu na Akufo-Addo tenazu so many years amwa tani bia. Nti this is opportunity amuko kwa aso. Nti nkama ba no se mo bua omu na mo gya jimi hwehwa ne mu ade yo. Nti Vivian J dia no fama mo. Anya ne twenkwa na mbefa akowo ma ade bio. Ntafo omu so wo twa de momfa omu ko dem no mo hurum. Emu be kama na ma wom na mo de adwuma na mo. Eye se da bia no na Ghana ni no na Ghanaian bre Vivian J onu ka odem onu woye movie anya sika wie enti momfa ma de onu woni bibi die a wai ja na daje di machia na ntafoi na Asantefo di o matem bon o Asantefo ya MPP no mu di o matem na fe no maba power na ye be treat ntafoi bad enye fine until Lodina yes only as you dun kati amuna mo shachiri na mo appoint wrong people e dey position mo ma omun kasa ma NDC da omun kasa me Twene Jonas ko amena mkasa Ghana for nto abama na minim se magimi sei se mo ba mo be forget Ghana for no na mo disika na ko man kwase afo manya sika ni bi dada unim se VVJ tu oye onye hia ni oye sikani enti mfa adwuma ne nkohye sikani ne nsa ono kro nya adaje masku mu ho emenu aduane mamo ono premain gelo premain ni onya adaje mfiri kumase ana nkran ho metena ono ko set so kutwa ni movie enti momfa adwuma ne ma NDC fo no mgu kromu ona omo ne baabi akono mgu adwuma ho no momfa mamu na omo nya adwuma no eno na ebe manda ache NDC ni agina baabi abo Mahama dimpa dan say wo bae unya post ni jimi nko a mo diskane komo omo no enye omo na ebu amamu nya aba mo de mo wo skane bi dada mo de mo yesa emwa so Sammy Gyamfi no the mistake or and say senka eye enye so de koma akronfo eno de koma what is kind of koma obia oye ni friend ni ti say abaya ya ai obi di tu abona ni o school mi ne ma me mo sire sky eno this kind of koma na ho no ko bia ba be dana se won ade eno nya say o chase can wrong but the person now this kind of man no ayen kwasi asem se wo diska be kwa koma kronfo a wayeye awie ni pasika sa kronfo no Sammy Gyamfi na ese nkoche ne kohye prison na oji sika na wawia no edema Ghana fo no wantimi wa fail that job no as a government na watam government taxpayers money no ede koche abra munim se sa Sammy Gyamfi adwuma a oye position ede amani oye adwuma 100 years krana even oje akatua 10 years kra onya $10,000 say na yedi tuaneka adi say bi Adom Mahama ye kronfo enti oma omunyina $100,000 a month they are fine but Ghana minister kuraje 10,000 Ghana cedis minister president kura enyi nuru 1 billion what you say na $10,000 na bro 1 billion now atam dia ma grada enti unya sika no we unya sika no we mo metwa ntro say wa bie pap kwase pap no oton nsa omo ndo pap wo kumase wonyina me Ghana no matena for so many years ensa no muko free omo ton wia no makotuaka omo pap ni nyina ompo meka no kwese meboa omo free nsa no omo ton wie no powerhouse no esu no empower no omo ton wie no na omo akwa ere omo akwa kotuaka Wow, Trump is coming for me for Jimmy so. Na anye Jimmy say ti ne kofa Adom Mahama ne bai. Ye kofa ne ba say de Akufo-Addo ye enye no. Omra no meye ni ye. Ya kofa na ama say Oma Ghana for medasu mu no nsi say sika ne Macron for. We didn't bring him for that. Into where kwashia we Jimmy too much. NDC for nyina mu ni twa asere say mu defend Jimmy say mo. Obviously nobody listen to you again when Jimmy. Me superstar. Me video ya we ya kobo share TikTok na platform do egu so. And now we are Google and I say sample bi na sample be views egu as Jimmy Toyomo. Me ya popular chain NDC ni blogger bia obi anim. Na nsi am dey Adom Mahama top you ne ho hihye no da o na me gira ne so forever and na me no me pay views nya hwe o me scanning me mfa wi ase nko ba bia me twi M division empower na me twi.
Na Twene said wo map by 94 na ebuafu edidi Twene stem e wo comment section say wa Jimmy onimo nyansa na wo kisa Mahama na onye ne nche ogetete panyini omu ade a whole lot for Adom Otchere hom do say na enye mo ana na wo didi obi atem egu fara tem na mo ye yodu afa de ya ene ya Twene Jonas me tufo atewide ende enye ubetimi amake you point without insulting. And was like a change for and say next time so be didi Penyah tema.
Now, this Jandam business, I was watching a video and the insulting kind of thing, the thing that people put up just insulting, using words that were an anathema to broadcasting in the past. It's still an anathema to correct broadcasting, but you can have this other kind of broadcasting which they call whatever name. And I saw the guy in America, Twene Jonas, insulting President Mahama about the Sammy Gyamfi matter. And I was shocked. You know, I was looking at it on the phone. I just rolled it over because I didn't want to see it. How do you insult the president of Ghana in the sound that Twene Jonas was doing? So I sent it to a friend of mine. I said, look at this. And he said back, but you should send it to your NDC people. This is what NDC people were enjoying in opposition. That Twene Jonas was insulting Akufo-Addo, insulting Akufo-Addo's people. We cannot go on like that. We are going to destroy our society. Twene Jonas was making a point about the distinction between Sammy Gyamfi's situation and the Chief Justice situation. That why do you sack the Chief Justice for this and you don't sack Sammy Gyamfi for that? It's a point that you can legitimately make. But you have to make that with insult about describing the president's private parts. I mean, my goodness. This is Ghana. Because they live in America, they can say anything. It is absolutely wrong. And they have been encouraged by politics. The NDC in opposition were excited watching Twene Jonas run down the 80-year-old Akufo-Addo, called to the bar in England 50 years ago. It doesn't mean that he's infallible. He is fallible. He can make a mistake. And so you can address him. We saw Kofi Boah addressing Akufo-Addo in ways that all of us Akufo-Addo supporters were unhappy with, but he didn't insult him. Twene Jonas describing President Mahama's private God. NDC people, can you rein them in? Because it is your product. NDC, this kind of insult is your product. And look at what they are telling President. I know President Mahama, and I was watching. I said, oh my goodness, I can't watch this. But they are doing it. So well, we need to look at these things and see how.
What I say? More shall Montana, Mamma the son so. Na Ediaba be behind and one of the TV did that. Se would be a mango na, and so said the Ediaba TV. Obey how is it tasty. Draw your mammy, our comment section, a high Penyah block media.